A baked dish in the lunchbox is definitely possible. Today I'm going to show you a pumpkin baked dish for your kids' tiffin box. Don't forget to take a screenshot for the ingredients to help you make it at home. So this sauce requires a cream base, which is made entirely in one bowl. It requires assembly of first fresh cream, and to that we'll add a little bit of milk, some garlic, minced, salt, pepper, pinch of nutmeg, and lots of rosemary. Pumpkin and rosemary go hand in hand. I'm just going to mix it. Now I'm going to add all the cheese. So here, cheese is of your preference. It can be mozzarella, cheddar, block cheese, whatever you have in your fridge. You can also use a medley. So the mixture is done. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to get my baking dish. So I'm going to brush it with olive oil. Be generous. Now, I'm going to take a spoon of the mixture and apply it on the base. Then I'm going to take the pumpkin slices and make a layer. Then we'll put another spoon. It's kind of like a lasagna without the pasta. Another layer. A final layer of pumpkin. Place all the remaining cream mixture on top, and then generously sprinkle breadcrumbs on top. So there, it's ready to go into a preheated oven of 200 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. So the pumpkin baked dish cooled slightly, so I'm going to slice it into 4 equal portions. I'm going to plate it into the tiffin box. So here it is. I've paired it with pistachios. It's a perfect pumpkin baked dish. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network for more such tiffin recipes.